It is important that practitioners are fully aware of all the details, of the sufferings in the 8 hot hells, the 16 neighboring, and supplementary hells, and the hills of iron śālmali trees. Afterward, retreat to a secluded place to contemplate. In fact, this is what we practitioners are meant to do when practicing the Dharma: reflect and meditate on what we have learned in a quiet place. Recently, someone asked, "Could you please give me instructions for meditation?" I replied, "The common preliminaries we are studying serve as the instructions for meditation." The person responded, "Oh, those are not sufficient. I want you to teach me a better instruction." I said, "No matter which realm we find ourselves in, there is no instruction better than this that I can offer. This is the most supreme meditation instruction. Therefore, we should put the teachings into real practice. It is not now to simply understand the meaning of the teachings. The accounts in the history of Buddhism typically categorize transmission into different types, such as reading transmission, explanatory transmission, instructional transmission, and more. Specifically, just having the explanatory transmission is not enough. One must also have the instructional transmission. And just having the instructional transmission is not enough. One needs to apply that transmission in real practice.